All right, Brad, so we've taken, what, multiple laps?
Multiple.
And I think my eye has caught the kitty cat of the lot. The Hellcat is right here. Let's take a look.
Beautiful, one and only.
Oh, I like this car. I like this car. Can I hear it purr? Make it purr.
See if we make it run.
Did you hear that?
That's beautiful.
Let's go for a ride.
707 horsepower.
Can we go for a ride?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm jumping out. Let's go. What does the red key mean?
So the red key means 707 horsepower. The black one, this is what you give to your wife or the girlfriend. Okay? This is for 90 horsepower.
Oh my goodness.
So when the red key's in, it's the full 700 horsepower.
Make sure I got all my mirrors checked. Looking good. I feel like I'm going to take off because once I punch it.
This is launch control.
Yeah.
Houston,
Houston.
we have launch.
We have launch. What a fun car to drive.
Look at those people staring at this car. Look at that.
It's effortless.
Effortless. Feel that. Punch it here. Just get a little punch. Squeeze vipers. Go. Punch it. All over the floor.
Unbelievable. You know what? This could be a little trouble for me.
This is trouble.
This is nothing but trouble.
Oh, this is nothing but smile and smoothness. Look at this.
So Brad, tell me, give me the lowdown.
I mean, 707 horsepower. What else is there to say?
707 HP, we're done.
Yeah.
Done talking. Let's drive. Oh, this is a fun drive. Hey, if you're out there, you got to get into a Hellcat. I mean, it is a fun ride. And you know what? It's bossy. Obviously, you're going to get some looks on the street, but you know, for that special significant other, I think they would enjoy the ride passenger side, right?
Oh yeah.
Brad's digging it over here. Can you special order, or do you just get what manufacturer brings you?
Nope, you can order this. You get exactly what you want.
Because this is white with the great racing stripe up on the hood, the black stripe. Black and white's always clean looking.
You can get this with the wide body. It looks like the Demon has wider fenders on it.
Really?
It's like a body kit. That's beautiful.
When I was in high school, a couple buddies had GTOs, and I thought that was the ultimate.
Those things.
But this car, look at that downshift right there.
Yep. Especially as it gets to know you too, the more you drive it.
I like that. Gets to know me.
Mm-hmm. It'll shift when you need it to shift, and it'll shift the right times. Oh, but this makes
you feel
the next
really
notch.
cool. You know what? For guys my age, this is like one of those. Look at that! I barely punched the pedal. It's not like I'm not taking off for the Indy 500 or the Coca-Cola 600. Oh my! You heard? I left some rubber back there.
Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over behind this red. Okay, there. Now you can go. Wait till straight. Now go. Go right around. Punch it. That's not punching. There you go.
It's unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Now what's launch control?
So it makes it set to the minimum, so it launches you at the fastest speed you can with the littlest amount of wheel slip that you can.
After you drive 500 miles?
Yeah, it won't unlock until you have 500 miles. I won't even let you put it in until you have 500.